Welcome everybody. This project is uniquely interdisciplinary. It's brought together musicians with their ideas, with AI engineers to work with those musicians closely on realizing their musical ideas.
Siyabula namhlanje siyadansa kuze kukho kungasinisa wosala usakanchande jabula hey siyaphila manje
We chose the Baka people of Cameroon as our case study. But our vision prior to this was to build a community co-created model that is able to interact and engage with indigenous knowledge.
These are two worlds that on a normal basis would never meet, but somehow artificial intelligence has brought the people of the rainforest to South Africa, Johannesburg, so that is amazing.
So we decided to come up with this project that understands the language of African music, that can not only preserve the African songs but also do the transcription.
My name is Linda Nyabundi. I'm a DJ producer from Kenya, and I'm exploring the intersection between African music and emerging technologies.
The sounds that we have, sounds should be...
The AI has already learned the cultural context, and when it's creating the new sound, it's considering that this is a lead sound, this was its traditional use and stuff like that, right?
So I found a real gap in the Western AI systems that are trained on just a large amount of different data. And a lot of us Africans are not in the room when they're making this decision about our sound, our cultures, our heritage. So zazi ngicela sikhulume ke manje ungaba explain labantu abakhuluma isiZulu ukuthi wena ubani ubatshele ngesizulu.
Ngibo izazi Music AI, msizi wosizo wokudala owenzele ukusiza abakuli njengani.
The song in your own language.
Yambangedwe kwakweni amehlo ayangilandela ubusuku buyingozi kowesifazane.
I believe small can become big, and that's our story about Bina, right? Bina means seed. Bina.ai is a children learning platform that is built on the core of AI and music as the core driver for this, for children learning and education.
You say the kid is struggling with gout.
I've done a lot of user research.
But I'm assuming like with us in South Africa
on a device, right?
Bina.ai, big hand for Bina.ai. Gives me great pleasure to introduce the members of our panel.
Realistic way of talking about listening and outing. And I think we really need to talk
AI principles here.
and mention it on stage 94.
I'm very excited about this keynote. So it's a great pleasure to welcome Prof. Anna Huang.
Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. You're starting an amazing effort here in AI and African music. So I very much hope we'll be able to find many points of shared exploration, and I look forward to meeting some of you in the future. And congratulations, everyone, on this really, really wonderful journey.
So I'm going
to ensure that policy
abanye bashona ngaphakathi.
By default.
A year ago, just 12 months ago, more that we start to get more information from an African context.
I'd now like to introduce our keynote lecturer, and this is also the man who has supported this project, who has made it possible, and it's Mr. Charles Goldstock.
So we're going to be talking about generative AI in music today. AI tools are now endemic in everything that creators do. So it isn't going away. If you don't have a concerted effort from the creative community, from the business community, forcing government to participate. I mean, programs like this, the South African government should be funding that.
Thank you very much for participating in this showcase event.